Okay, Ford Territory, all keys lost. What a pain to pick the lock, and all these cars here, they just go past at 1,000,000 miles an hour. They really do not care one bit. So I've done the job. I've got 2 keys and they're programmed. Let's just give them a quick test. So let's lock the car, unlock the car. Oh. Lock this one. Okay, it's right in the door lock. Lock it. Beautiful. Next. Start the car. So this is a 2013 Territory. So just turn that off, wait till the PATS lights go, grab the other key, there we go. Alright, all done. All keys lost, 2013 Territory. Lock the car. Thanks for watching.